Hi guys, it's Miss Bragg. We're going to start lesson 71 in phonics. The first thing I want you to do is echo the three words in pink. So echo after me. Bright, thigh, tight. What sound do you hear in all of these words? Do you hear a long I sound? What is making that long I sound? Just the I? Actually, it's the I-G-H. How many knew that the I-G-H sounded like a long I? Well, this is called trigraph, I-G-H, trigraph. The T-R-I in trigraph means three letters that are together to make a sound, okay? So how many letters are in I-G-H? Do you hear three? Or you see three, I-G-H? Do you think I-G-H could be a digraph? No, it cannot, because a digraph means only two letters together. So I-G-H is a trigraph, which means three. And do you know how we're going to code these? We are going to underline each of the trigraphs in each word. So it should look like this. Okay. So what we're going to do is finish coding these words, and then we're going to work on our worksheet. This is kind of a short lesson today. So what we're going to do, we have some ghost letters in here, which means we don't really hear them at all. We hear the I, but we don't hear the G and the H. So we've already underlined, so we're going to make this a long I with a macron, and we've got letters we do not hear, those ghost letters. So it would be coded like this. So long I, and we do not hear GH. Long I, do not hear GH. Okay? All right. So I'm going to ask you a couple of questions as reminders, some rules that we've done in the past. So it's kind of a little quiz that you can kind of answer to yourself and see if you remember the correct way to code some things. Ready? So how would we code trigraphs? Well, I just told you. So what do? We underline them. Very good. A trigraph like I, G, H. How do we code ghost letters, which means we do not hear them? We cross them out like we did the GH. How do we code combinations and diphthongs? Like an OU, maybe? All right, so we will do an arc under them. An arc looks like this. All right, how do we code a C that sounds like an S? Cedilla. Okay, so if I have the word ice and that C sounds like an S, then we do that kind of a little cedilla looking thing here. And we would code ice like this. We hear the I sound, we put the cedilla, and we cross out the E because we do not hear it. How do we code digraphs? We would underline them. How do we code a C that sounds like a K with a K back? How do we code vowels that make a schwa sound, such as the word the? Okay, if we say this word like the, okay, we would do an upside down E for that sound, that E that makes a sound. Okay. How do we code the final stable syllables? Okay, like the word table. Table. I'm going to put a bracket around them. Okay? All right. So here's what I want you to do. We're going to get our worksheet and work on one side. So grab worksheet lesson 71 and turn it on the side that says worksheet 71. Okay, guys, if you'll turn to your worksheet side. I told you to turn, let's see, worksheet 71. So make sure you're on this side of your worksheet. All right, so let's talk about this. We have tight, couch, coin, rain, curl, bloom. Several of these have the trigraph IGH. So we're going to code these. If you'll code with me on this one. All right, let's look at the first one. We have tight. This goes with our rule today. So we're going to underline the trigraph. Let's see. Let's underline the trigraph. And we are going to cross out our ghost letters. And we have a long I sound, tight. Number 2, couch. The C has a K sound, so we need a K back. We have an OU diphthong, and we have a digraph here. And I see a picture of a couch. Next one, coin. We're going to do a K back for that C, and we're going to do a diphthong for OI, and I see a coin. Next, we have rain, rain. We have an AI here, digraph. We're going to mark out our ghost letter, and we have a long A sound, so we do a macron. Curl, we need a K back. We have an arc for our diphthong. And I see a picture of the arrow pointing to her curl. Bloom. We're going to underline our digraph there. Now let's read our story, and we're going to answer the questions together. Kim is my sister. We like to do things together. Kim works for our dad. Our dad says that I should not play near Kim while she is working. He thinks I might get hurt. Since Kim works in the day, I might get to play with her at night. Question number 7. When will I get to play with Kim? Well, looks like since she works in the day, I might get to play with her at night. Number 8. Why will I play with Kim at night? Why will I do that? What is the reason? It says Kim works in the day. Last one. My sister is a girl. When they're using words like she, it says Kim is my sister, and we've got she, okay, her, so we're referring to a girl. Yes. Hey guys, we are finished. If you'll flip your paper over and do the homework side of lesson 71. And then you're going to turn it in or take a picture and send it to your teacher. Bye.